Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is just going to be like a little miniature update, little chit chat type of thing. And also the main focus of this video is this hair, which, I mean, look at this hair. This is the hair that I've been wearing for the past 2 months, literally. If you go on my Instagram and you look at all the pictures from when I got back, that is this hair. Literally, I've just been wearing this hair. This is a wig. It wasn't like bundles and I made the wig. It came as a wig. It is a full lace wig and it has like 3 combs in the front and like 1 or 2 in the back. And I added a elastic band so it can just be a little bit more snug. And that was about it. Literally, it's super low maintenance. That's why I've been wearing it so much. And I wanted to get a real wear test out of it, because I don't want to, like, you know, record a video like a week or 2, not even 2 weeks. Like the same week I get the hair, I record the video for the hair and tell you how much I love the hair, even though I didn't really wear the hair, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also apologize for taking so long to film. I don't know why I'm talking so fast. Slow down. I will see you guys at the very end of this video, or the next part of this video, where I'm demonstrating how I put the wig on and how I style it. And yeah, love you guys. All right, so here I am before I apply the wig. I just have my scarf on. So this is what my hair is like underneath the wigs. I just braid it, literally. So I don't put it like all the way in the front because I don't need to. And then I just tuck my braids in. So here's the wig. I put this on the inside so I don't have to do like the full like front, like gluing it down or gelling it down, whatever. I just do the very middle because that's all you see anyway. And this just helps it stay in place. So all I do is, if I can do it, put the band on and then flip the wig over, and then I just look crazy. So now I will pull it forward, and as you can see, you can like see the line. You guys probably can't see that, but I can, and it's gonna drive me insane. So I'm going to switch wig caps, and you're gonna see how much better it looks because I'm lazy and I don't feel like taking that off. I'm going to put this one on top, and hopefully you can't see that through there as well. I don't know. This is the wig when I put it on, just all willy-nilly. When I first got this hair, I did color it a copper color, kind of like I did the Beauty Forever hair like a year or 2 ago. And as much as I love that color, to me, there's nothing like straight black hair. Like, there's nothing like it. I love the way it looks. It just looks so healthy and thick and full, and I just prefer dark hair. So I went over the copper color with jet black dye, and it still wasn't dark enough for me. So then I went over that with the Adore color in jet black. So I think this is as dark as it's gonna get, which is fine with me because it looks pretty dark to me and I like it. But yeah, so this is it just on without doing anything else. Some people would just leave out of the house like this. Me personally, I have to do a little something in the front because if not, it just looks really round. My face looks really round and I don't like it. So all I do for this little part right here, which a lot of people ask me about, all you do is like kind of pluck this area a little bit to like thin it out so you can create like a little swoop. So I'm gonna use this edge control. She is Bomb collection. I saw this on Instagram and it's actually a really good edge control. So I bought it and that's all I use right here. I don't use Got To Be glue or anything like that because this stays perfectly fine. And I kind of just like press it on the lace too to keep that down as well. But to do it however you want to do it, I just do a little swoop, nothing like super dramatic. This is when I basically just kind of tame the flyaways a little bit. There's not as many as there was, like you can't really see them with this hair color. When I had the copper hair color, it was super freaking, like, there were a lot of flyaways. And I think that's why I didn't really like it, because you can see them. So once I colored the hair dark, it just looked way better. So yeah, now all I'm gonna do is take my scarf, just put it right here. And then this is when I will go in and just like fix up the ends a little bit. And then usually after I take this off, I'll have like a little dent right there. So I have to straighten that out as well. But this part, I just do the ends so they're not like bushy or frizzy or anything like that. I want everything to be pretty uniform. So yeah, this is all I do to the bottom of the hair, and I'll usually leave this on for like 5 or 10 minutes, depending on what I'm doing. Because I'm filming this video, I'm gonna take it off and fix like the little dented areas, I guess. So it didn't really do that much denting, but I'm still gonna go over it. So yeah, this is a 22 or 24 inch 1B virgin hair wig. I'm not 100% sure if it's Peruvian or if it's Brazilian. I can't remember because I've had this for like a month now, but whatever it is, I really like it. Literally, this is the hair that I've been wearing in all my pictures. So if anyone was curious, this is that hair, and I do really, really like it. This is my first time working with DYHAIR777, and it's been a good experience. I feel really bad because I got sick and there's just been a lot going on since I got home. So filming has been close to impossible for me, and I really want to apologize to the company for, you know, taking so long, but here I am. This is the final result of this hair. I feel like I've just been rambling on, but I don't want this video to be long because this hair is literally like low maintenance as crap. It's super sleek and silky. One of the things that I never do when I wear my hair straight, or to any of my hair for that matter, I don't put anything in it. There's literally nothing in this hair because it doesn't need anything. If you put stuff in it, it's just gonna weigh it down, and it's just not gonna look as flowy, you know what I'm saying? Like this. Hair details will be below for this hair. I recommend it 100%. This is literally the hair I've been wearing for the last month. Every picture from February, March, and the end of January, I believe, or February and March, has been this hair. If you go to my Instagram and you see all that hair, every hair in the picture, that doesn't even make sense. The hair that I'm wearing in the picture, it's this hair. And when this hair is wet and air dried, it has like a body wave feel. I'll post the picture that I just posted recently with the hair in like its natural state. So I love that. It's a straight wig, but it waves up, so you can wear it like that too. It's like a messy beach wave looking vibes. So yeah, I love this hair. I really, really love this hair. Thank you to DYHAIR777 for sending me this wig. So yes, see how quick it took me to do this hair? Like I didn't have to do anything to it. This is literally all I did. I bleached the knots, of course, because I wanted it to look more natural, and I just dyed it black and straightened it, and that's literally all I did. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.